Hey guys, just want to give an update on my Seiko SKX build from Crystal Times from their CT700 PVD black coated case. I finally installed the WR watch's lumed day and date. Just want to give you guys a look at what the watch looks like all together. Sorry I couldn't do an installation. It's pretty tough doing the installation. Just make sure you do it correctly. When I was installing it, when I put it back together, the plastic gear broke on me, so luckily I had another movement and I was able to take it out of. As you can see there, one of the gears spokes broke off. So just be very careful when you do these, because if you don't have an extra spare, you're SOL. Really like the black, and I'll do a lume shot at the end of the video to show you guys what it looks like at night. Hard to turn it with these gloves on. It looks like the day wheel is a little bit above the date wheel, just a smidge. But if you have it in the kanji, you don't really notice as much. But yeah, at the end of the video, I'll show you guys the lumed shot. Alright guys, just want to give you an update on this awesome watch that I built. Alright guys, there it is, all complete. Lume monster. As you can see, the day and date does fade pretty fast. But still nice little touch. Alright guys, just wanted to give you a quick look at this. Have a wonderful night. See you in the next video.